Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next pyq of real analysis asked in Csirnet 2019. So our question is, let T from C to M2 of R be the map given by T of Z is equals to T of X plus iota Y is equals to X, Y minus Y, X, then which is false. So here we have to find the false option in the given option. So we'll see one by one. First, T of Z1, Z2 is equals to T of Z1, T of Z2. So here, let Z1 is equals to X plus X1 plus iota Y1 and Z2 is equals to X2 plus iota Y2. Then Z1 into Z2 is equals to x1 x2 minus y1 y2 plus iota of x1 y1 plus x2 y2. We multiply both, we get this. So T of z1 z2 is equals to what? Here x is this and y is this. So x1 x2 minus y1 y2, y x1 y1 plus x2 y2 minus of x1 y1 plus x2 y2, and here this x1 x2 minus y1 y2. This is our T of x z1 z2. Now for T of z1 into T of z2, what we do? xy minus y x, sorry, this is 1 x1, and here this is x2, so x2 y2 minus of y2 of x1. We will see this is equals to T of z1 z2. So first option is true. We have to find a false option. So this option is incorrect. Now next, Tz is singular if and only if z is equals to 0. We know that this matrix is singular if determinant is equals to 0. For option B, what we do? Determinant of this xy minus yx, this is equals to 0, that is x square plus y square, that is equals to 0. This is equals to 0 when? If and only if x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0, which implies what? Z is equals to 0. So here this is only true that z is equals to 0. So this option is also true. We have to find a false option. This option is also incorrect. Now next, if we see option D, this option is what? This is the linearity of Tz. So by default this option is true. So this option is also incorrect because we have to find false option. So remaining option C is correct. Let's see why it is correct. There does not exist non-zero A belongs to this such that the trace of Tz into A is 0. Here we can find for option C, let A is equals to 1 0 0 and minus 1. If we take let A is equals to Z, then T of Z into A, what we get? xy minus yx into 1 0 0 minus 1. If we multiply both, what we get? X, this of minus y, this of minus y, and this of minus x. What is the trace? Sum of all the diagonal entries. Here we see the diagonal entry sum is 0, as we get the A for which this is equals to z, trace of this is equals to 0. So here there does not exist is given, so this option is false. So we have to find a false option. So option C is correct. So this is the solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.